Neighbors, what's good? It's your boy, it's your guy, DJ Neighborhood. And what we're doing today, man, we're gonna fill up and we're gonna go to this Cars and Gasoline meet that's this morning. It started at 11. It's 10:21. I think I'm like 35 minutes away. The issue I'm running into right now is though, hey, the car is super dirty. I just watched it the other day, but it's dirty. So we're gonna fill up right here at this Wawa. It's a car wash back there in the back. I don't know if it's a touchless wash back there. It look like it is. So we're going to swing by there and see what we can do at the touchless wash right quick. After we do that, we're going to go ahead and head out that way. Because right now, as you can see, it's pollen everywhere. And I didn't even, I didn't think nothing of it. But we just filled up. That fill up cost us $58. My goodness gracious. So now that we're done doing that, yeah, gonna put this back. I'll pick up seeing if it's a touchless wash back here or not. If it's not touchless, we'll keep going. And I'll try to find one that is touchless. But other than that, yeah, we're gonna get in the whip and we're gonna go find a car wash before we pull up to this meet. Hopefully I can find one. If not, it ain't the first day pulling up somewhere not clean. Don't want to. But another thing we're gonna fix today, well, at the end of the video, I'm gonna try to diagnose. Hold on. Probably connect to the car. But that, well, don't worry about the oil change. We good on that. But that right there, that check engine light, we gotta fix that, and we gotta go get a new battery for the key fob. So stick with me right quick. All right, neighbor. So it ended up being a little touchless car wash. That's cool. It seems like it's doing a pretty good job. When it get done, I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like and stuff like that. Hopefully it look good. It say drive forward slowly. Hold on. Hopefully it didn't just remove the dang on dirt or just reorganize the dirt. So let's see. Hopefully that ain't what the hell it did. Okay, so it actually cleaned it. Okay, that's way better than I thought. The issue I'm running into now is, god dang it, I left my drive towel at the crib. So I'm pretty sure the gas station probably don't even have nothing up there. So I might just have to, don't want to, but we just gonna have to ride with it. See, look at that, soap and shit, man. Soap spots. We're just gonna have to ride with that mug and let's let it dry on its own. So I guess we'll go from there. So chat. I said chat. Neighbors, we'll pick up when I'm pulling up to the car meet. Yes, sir. So neighbors, we made it. It's just getting started, so it's 11:06. It's probably gonna be more people coming, but yeah, I'm here ahead of time. So on my way here, as you know, I'm in the TT, and this Type R got a gap cam on it. We did a little pull coming down through the city. I wonder if he recorded it. When I find him, I'm gonna ask him, did he do it? If he did, I'll insert that little footage right here. But yeah, so for the most of it, yeah, I bumped into a lot of people on the way here that just had me coming to the same spot as I was passing them by on the interstate. I guess what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk around and see the stuff that they got here. As y'all can see this here. So I came in with them group of cars over there, that 350Z and that Type R. We got this Honda that pulled up before me. That thing look good now. The paint, the bumper paint match, stuff like that. Got the stain, got that. Got the vet. It wasn't this Type R. It's another one. It's another one that I was actually, the black one with the gap cam on it. That's the one that I rode in with. Well, did the pull with on the road. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hot Wheels. Yeah, got the S. Okay. I remember them 370Z days, man. We never got to supercharge it. We never got to supercharge that thing, but it'll be all right. And that's about it. That's pretty much all the cars here. I'm gonna walk on the other side and show you the cars that I did the pool with a little better. Yeah. So this the Type R. I'm not sure what's done to it. I don't know, but we did that. Like I said, we had that little hit. Don't know what's done to it, but probably got some speed. They came in together, so I'm assuming this is their car crew. Yeah, they all got the same. What's that? Shriek Elegance. So I'm pretty sure. Not sure what's done to this Type R though. I'll ask him when I see him. But yeah, like I said, the meet's still early, so there go another Mustang, Beamer. I'm not sure what else is gonna pull up in the time being, but until then, you know, this is what we got for now. I guess pick back up once we get more here or when more pulls up. So neighbors, I think the TTR is getting some traction. Somebody said, could he have my motor to drop in his GTI? We got a vet. We got a Camaro pulling up. Man, shout out to my boy Bad Leg LLC, man. I know if he was here, man, we would probably walk over here and got us a couple of French fries or something, man. Shout out to the Bad Leg Dre, man. He been talking a lot of trash with that B48, you know. Hopefully he over there working on it or something, but don't worry about it. Please tell me you're gonna build that car some more skinny, man. Anywho, yeah, this pretty, like I said, it's more stuff pulling up. The meet started at 8, it's just 11:14, so, you know, it's probably gonna be more stuff pull up, but as of right now, I guess we're gonna go on this back aisle. We went down these aisles the first time. On this side over here, low power, high effort. You got the RT. That was on its way when I saw it. That was already here. All of these was already here. That blue Mustang just pulled up. That red 370Z just pulled up. The BMW and the Cadillac just pulled up. I didn't see the Volkswagen. I'm not sure. That black Volkswagen just pulled up. That Lexus just pulled up. This Audi just pulled up, I think. It's a nice blue too. I wonder who drive the Audi. Came to the meet specifically to find Audi and Volkswagen owners because they can most likely tell me, we have our car worked on by this guy, or this guy's the guy that you can talk to that'll do this XYZ for you. But air ride, that's nice. It's nice. Oh, the Scatty Packy with the gap cam on those. There's some stuff done to this. Got to be, oh, the Porsche. That's cool. Got to be some done. Oh, I saw him coming in under the post. That's cool. So, man, this your Scat? What's all done to it?
So right now we're at stage 2 tuning.
What does stage 2 tuning consist of on a?
So right now it's like launch competitors, jailbreak tune, a couple other little small mods. So right now we're at 500 horsepower.
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, so you get a little rowdy then. Okay, that ain't bad. Okay, 550. It's not bad. Okay. So who's the person y'all go to around here for the dyno work and stuff like that?
It's Full Sim Motorsports.
Full Sim Motorsports. Ashton. Okay. Full Sim Motorsports.
We'll say it's a little bit pricey.
I can believe it.
Yeah. I mean, it does good work.
Okay.
So.
Said 550 on the dyno. That ain't bad. I really want to put the Audi on the dyno, but like I said, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be like at 450 with the 93. Not even 450. Might be like low 4s with the 93. But then again, if I do flex, I don't know. Who knows? We'll find out. But the Subi just pulled up. I didn't see that at first. That one just pulled up. Didn't see that one at first either. I think this meet is hosted by some people called Park Fillers or the We Outside Boys or something like that. Like I said, I'm new to the Virginia area, so this is my first car meet out here, so I'm just trying to figure out what they got and go from there. But so far so good. So we had a Super pull up. We had the Shelby pull up. We got some more Z's back there. It's a RT here. It's Pro Charge. Sounds real good. You can hear it from a mile away. Oh, he popped the hood. I'll take y'all down there. That 5.0 just pulled up. Okay, that car is here. It's the same one from earlier, but this one here, big boys on the back, skinnies up front. Sound real good. Got the Subi. He ran over something. If you can see that right there, so kind of like a hole in the side of the tire. It's probably not even a hole. It's probably just probably just dry rotted or something like that. But it looks kind of deep, so he's trying to air it up. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. We had the Nismo pull up too. It was a Rolls Royce here as well. I'm not sure where it went. I'm not sure what this is. That's cool. This is nice. This is real nice. Give me one of these one of them days. That look good. That look real good. JLT Performance. I'm not sure what that is. I'm pretty sure you Mustang boys know what that's about. Oh, it's DBR Performance. It's cool. One Wild Pony. That's cool. I'm not sure what that's about either. They go to Rolls Royce. I knew it was still somewhere. But yeah, I think that's it. That has pulled up since then. I don't think nothing else done came since then. Hold on, we'll pick back up on the other side. So more people pulled up and they're filling in on this side over here because it's full back over there. This must be the side where you do bad things. All I smell is that pressure over here. And it's strong too. That's nice. M3 is nice. This say Skipper. That's another Audi that just pulled up and it said the tag say BMW POV. So I gotta figure that out. Got a dark horse. That's nice. I think that's a dark horse, yeah. Cap cam. There's BMWs and Audis and Lexuses over here. It's nice. It's the Type R. So a couple of vets. Mustangs down there. I think that's the owner of the Audi. Let's go see if we can get some information about the shops that's out here and things like that. Places to go, people to talk to get a little work done and stuff like that. So we're gonna see if that's him. I'm not sure if that's him or not, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Oh, excuse me. You in the Audi? That's a BMW POV?
Yeah.
So I got a question. Where do you like get your work done from, like around here?
Audi?
Yeah.
I got a personal one. Yeah, I don't trust shops really.
Okay.
But you got an Audi?
I got TTRS.
I followed you the other day.
Me?
Yeah, I think so. You posted. As a matter of fact, yeah. I commented on that shit because they said Richmond. And when I showed you the TT, it was you.
We did come across your video on
TikTok.
Oh, yeah. So you come in the picture say RVA area. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Alright. This is you. I've seen you. I'll tell my mechanic. He'll look out.
That's a bet. I'm trying to fucking I'm trying to build my motor and I need to upgrade it exhaust. Everything else is
He's a Audi tech. I was the only one I let touch both. I got two of them.
Okay.
Yeah, so he did
Okay.
both.
Yeah.
Send me a DM, bro. I'll shoot you this page. So
Okay.
hell yeah.
All right, bet. Thanks, bro. See, easy as that. Quick conversation, make things work out. So, he popped his hood and he walked off. So I guess, he won't mind people seeing what he got done. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. It's crazy, small world. He commented on my TikTok video a few days ago because I tagged the Richmond, Virginia area. He commented. After he commented, it's crazy. You see the same person here today. It's not bad. He was pushing it on the way here though, because you can still hear it. Not bad. Got that V8 mud. The S6. It's nice though. It's nice. Is that Bronco? Huh. Carbon fiber lip. Excuse me, lip. I said lip. Spoiler. Or if you want to call it a duck bill. Depends on what your preference is. But yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I haven't seen the owner for the other Audi yet. But yeah. We'll just keep going through here. He said he got a tech and stuff like that. So if he has a tech, it might be safe to say I can go back and buy my own pistons and rods and just pay the tech to install it and stuff like that. Since he said he don't trust the shop. So that might be the best course of action. Then after we do that, we probably upload another tune. At this point, it's like, if I'm gonna do that, I might as well just stick with, they're going another Super. Might as well stick with the DS1 and stuff like that. I'm gonna go back and ask him who he's tuned by, see if he went the unit training route, DS1 route, or if he went another route. Not sure. M2, boot mod. I don't know. When I was on the super platform, I did MHD. I just think MHD was for me. You know, I didn't have no issues out of it. My first super was on EcuTech. My second one was on MHD. MHD was a little easier for me to use versus the EcuTech, so for me, that's what I went with. Okay. Cool. We're gonna pick up and see what we got. Pick up and see what we got. What we got next. Hold on. All right, neighbor. So I made it back to the crib. I thought I just got me a little lunch or whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, the check engine light on. I don't have the car turned all the way on. It's just on like with the accessory. So I'm on my laptop and I'm coming over here to DS1. So just to run down for the people that don't know, you can come here to this webpage right here. This is for DS1 purposes only. And you go to the user manual. After you go to the user manual, you know, you'll connect and everything like that. When you purchase DS1, it's going to come in a box and stuff like that. It's going to give you your password and everything like that, you know. And it's going to be specific to your DS1. As you can see, my dongle is plugged in down there. So as we get down with that, you know, you're going to do all this good stuff right here like it's telling you to. All this good stuff, and you'll let it update. Then you'll copy this little link right here and all that good stuff and come up here. Now that I'm here, this is everything specific to my vehicle. So what I'm looking for right now is I'm trying to figure out what is that code, that check engine light for. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through some of these things like this. These are the files and things like this. These are the things that I can upload to my car and things like that. So data, you know, the car is connected right now, but as you know, the car isn't crunk up. These are the gauges. I don't really need nothing like that right now. These are real time. This is the help. I was trying to go through and show it to y'all, but I tapped the button. As you can see, it's loading and stuff now. So that's that. This is the internet. This is update and stuff like that, settings. So what I'm looking for is going to be in the ECU. You can go down here, you can click more. I can click more. These are the things that I'm looking for. So as you know, the check engine light is on, but I want to know what for. So I click read fault codes. And now it's reading these right here. This is what it says is going on. So O2 sensor heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 2 malfunction. Confirm test failed. Cycle warning. So this is the code that I currently have right now. Lean to rich to lean. Okay, probably just my O2 sensors, but this is what I want to see if, you know, what's going on. What I'm about to do now is, I'm not sure if you have to have the door closed or what, but I'm just gonna see, because at first I thought this had something to do related to my tune. I have a tune now, as you can see, the DS1 stuff. So what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna clear these fault codes. Completed fault codes clear. You see, now the car doing its thing, whatever. I'm gonna let it run its little thing or whatever, and after I do that, you know, we'll go from there. All right, completed, clear fault codes. All right, now that that's done, I'm gonna crank it up and the check engine light should be off. What's gonna happen is, since the check engine light has been cleared, after I start back driving, this check engine light is gonna come back on due to the simple fact that the O2 sensor might just be, you know, burnt out or something like that. So, hold on, my bad. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna crank this bad baby up. And boom, like I said, check engine light gone. But as I drive, it's gonna readjust and things like that. And it's gonna do whatever it does through the system. And it's gonna pop back up that, hey, this still hasn't been fixed. I just cleared the code. But that was pretty much it, neighbors. Now that I know what's going on and things like that, I just want to show y'all. We're gonna jump further more into that when we get ready to do the flex tune and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to get that going situated, so once I do the flex tune and stuff like that, I don't have to worry about it. Another thing I'm trying to figure out, before I do the flex tune, maybe I should just go ahead and buy a low pressure fuel pump and go from there. But I figure we can cross that bridge when we get there and things like that. But yeah, neighbors, I just want to show y'all that that's what the check engine light was on for. We reset the code. I'm gonna drive it around, and in the next video, I'll let you know if it came back on or if me clearing that fault actually did the thing. But yeah, neighbor, that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate y'all, and neighborhood out.